How to log in to your US bank account. Welcome back to this new video of 1 2 Step everyone. If you're also trying to log into the online banking of US bank, then in this video let me show you how it's done. For this video we're going to use the website of US bank, but you can also using the mobile app. Search for usbank.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to its official website, which will look something like this. Now automatically the sign in page or this login page should open up. If this does not show up, you can click on this login option on the top. From this section, make sure that the online banking is selected, or if you want to log in to any other type of account that you have, make sure you pick your account. To log into your online banking, you'll need to first type in your username that you created while signing up. And also in the second box, type in the password. If you don't remember your user ID or the password that you created, click on the Get Login Help option. And through this section, you can recover your details by following simple steps. Once you type both of these information, you can just click on Login and you'll be successfully logged in to your US bank account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post. Also make sure to turn on the notifications of our channel if you want to get notified. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.